Noong Martes ng gabi ay pumanaw ang National Artist for Film na si Direk Eddie Romero. Ito ay dahil sa cardiac pulmonary arrest. Ngunit lingid sa kaalaman ng karamihan, mahigit sa isang taon na ding nakikipaglaban ng batikang direktor sa sakit na prostate cancer. Inalala naman siya ng kanyang anak na si Direk Joey Romero. Para sa detalye, balitaan mo kami, Sam Ramirez.
Sa pagpanaw ng batikang direktor at National Artist for Film na si Eddie, sinariwa ng kanyang anak at kapwa-direktor din na si Joey Romero ang mga alaala niya kasama ang ama at ang iniwan nitong pamana sa ating bayan, ang kanyang mga obrang pelikula. 16 na taong gulang pa lamang ang kanyang ama ay mahilig na raw itong magsulat. Nadiskubre siya ni Gerardo De Leon, isa ring national artist at hinikayat siya nitong magsulat ng mga screenplays. Bukod sa pagdidirehe, marami ring natutunan si Direk Joey mula sa kanyang ama. Kabilang na dyan ang pagkakaroon ng positibong tingin sa buhay.
Magiging contento na with what he has, and syempre merong ambition, pero he doesn't get frustrated about not having this, not having that. So he was always happy because of that. So I applied that also sa sa attitude ko towards life. So life was kind to him, and he enjoyed living all his 88 years.
Nagsilbi ding inspirasyon kay Direk Joey ang ama upang tahakin niya ang industriya ng pelikula.
Summer, he would give me summer jobs connected with filmmaking. So I guess that's what started me into it, taking interest in. And so we would discuss films, we would watch movies together, and I learned how to appreciate a good movie through those conversations.
Hindi naman malilimutan ni Direk Joey noong 2003 nang hinira ang kanyang ama bilang National Artist for Film.
Of course, the whole family, the whole clan he made everybody proud, no? And I think he fully deserved it kasi being national artist, it's the body of work that's considered. Labis
naman ang pasasalamat ni Direk Joey sa lahat ng nakikiramay sa kanilang pamilya.
I'm overwhelmed by the what's been happening ever since his passing last night. Didn't imagine I've been getting all those calls, all those texts, and it's really overwhelming. I couldn't believe it. It was all over Facebook, newspapers, TV, and I'm very happy naman, and I'm sure he's very happy na he's being recognized.
Mananatili ang labi ni Direk Eddie Romero sa Our Lady of Mount Carmel Church, Quezon City. Sa linggo naman ay gaganapin ang necrological mass sa Cultural Center of the Philippines at ihimlay ang batikang direktor sa libingan ng mga bayani. Nag-uulat para sa Telebisyon ng Bayan, Sam Ramirez.